Hi friends, my name is Junaid and you are watching my channel Junaid Production. In today's video, I want to show you how to make lithium-ion battery. To make this battery, I am using 6 lithium-ion battery cell. Here you can see that. I am using 12 volt 40 ampere BMS. Here you can see that. Now let's make it. I will connect this cell in series. Here you can see that positive, negative, then there is positive and negative. I will connect this. I connect this cell in series. Now let's connect this cell, positive and negative. Dear friends, battery connection have been done. Here you can see that. Now let's connect BMS. Friends, there is BMS connection wire. There is 0 volt. There is 4 volt connection wire. There is 8 volt and there is 12 volt connection wire. Now let's connect this. There is 12 volt connection wire. Now let's connect it. Dear friend, all connection have been done. Here you can see that there is input and output wire, positive and negative, and there is BMS connection. Now let's time for testing. Dear friend, for testing I am using this power station. There is power station negative wire for battery and there is positive wire. You can see that this battery working perfectly. So friends, that's all about from my this 12 volt battery project. If you like this type of project, then don't forget to subscribe and also press bell icon for my next project notification. Have a great day.